especially when you have a problem with the throat problem. This pill is pretty useful for someone who got some phlegm, coughing, or if you have much phlegm, phlegm, stick there, you cannot take, swallow it down, or something just like something uncomfortable throat. And if there's something wrong with morning time, something wrong with that. So this one, easy to find and a very good effect on treating the throat problem. In Chinese called tea, right? We dry it and boil it with water. Then you drink it. This is good.